This is Tepakadu log house. It is fully constructed by using wood. We have dining room and also 3 log house attached in this particular facility, and it is nicely surrounded by the greeneries and also a beautiful water flow opposite to this house. And also there are many seating arrangements are there, as we can sit and relax our time by seeing the nature. There are 3 houses in this room. One is called log house 1, log house 2 and log house 3. The log house 1 is called lap wing, and the second log house is called trogon, and the third log house 3 is called tree pie. This is log house 2, and log house 2 has a one double cot and a wardrobe and also an attached toilet facilities. It's beautiful and also it maintained very neatly. As you can see, this is fully made up of woods, and we can spend a very good time being here. You can also see that from the log house you can have a complete view of the outside. Now we are entering into log house 1. So log house 1 has one double bedroom and an attached TV, and also it has the wardrobe and fan and couple of windows through which you can watch the sceneries, and also there's an attached dressing arrangements and also the toilet facilities. This is the house log 1 house. This is called tree pie, that is log house 3, and it has 2 double beds opposite to each other and a very good cupboard and wooden furnishing. Also has fan and couple of lights. There are some sitting chairs, dustbins, and also there is an attached toilet facilities, so all are neatly maintained. And also there is an additional hall here for dressing. And this is log house 2, and this is quite spacious than any other log houses. Again, like any other log houses, we can see the beauty of outside from here. There are greeneries and also the rivers are flowing by, and people say that animals can come sometime nearby to drink water and to have a leisure time. So out of these 3 log houses, the log house 2 and 3 are available for the public, and log house 1 is reserved only for the government officials. This is one of the best place or best lodges in Tepakadu. You can stay here and have a nice time. Thank you. And there is an attached dining hall to all it's common to all 3 log houses. So as many people as they want, they can sit and have a dining over here. There are people available here to cook food and prepare whatever the food that we order, and for us they prepared a very nice food Thank you to them. And also it has a front lobby, kind of veranda, where we can sit and relax. There's a center table and a couple of chairs kept here, and from here we can view most of the sceneries from here. As I told you, the water flow and the whirling of birds, and sometimes animals also can pass through. So this is the view that we can see while sitting in the veranda, and we can enjoy and have a pleasure in it. So this log house can also have a good parking space. Freely you can park the vehicle nearby the log house, and on road also we can park the vehicle.